Okay, all right. Hello, everyone. Good morning, good evening. So this is February 27, Paralus community call happening right now. So yeah, let me start sharing. I hope you can see my screen.
Yeah, I can. You can see us.
All right, all right. Yeah. So yeah, this is yeah. So since we both are we are just two of us. Yeah. So yeah, just to inform, we this is Parallel Community Call, and we are adhere to Parallel Code of Conduct. It basically boils down to having polite and kind to each other. Okay, and yeah, a few others instruction. If you have any question, feel free to raise the hand. Yeah, we could uh, bring you up for the discussion and all. Okay.
So should we start with a question, Akshay, or should we do it are we going to do it at the end? There is anything else I wanted to ask?
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Feel free to add that in this agenda item. Also, you can add yourself in the list. Let me also put it myself.
Yeah, anybody can edit.
Yeah. Anybody can edit it. Yeah. Okay. Okay.
I'll just add
Yeah.
my.
Sure.
I just had one question. I just added.
Good.
I wanted to ask, opinion. Do you think it is? Should I start? I just finished.
Sure.
Okay,
Okay.
maybe you can start Paralus YouTube channel. What do you have?
Yeah. Okay. Sure.
Let's finish
Uh,
that.
good. So maybe we'll just go with the list. So yeah, this is regarding the since we have started these Parallels community meetings, we have like uh, two or three. This is like I guess third time we are having the community meeting. We have been recording this meeting so that we could anybody who is not able to attend the call, they can go through the recording and have this then should aware of all the conversation happen. Okay. So currently we do not have any sort of so yeah, before that, like we have been uploading these recordings on the YouTube to our personal account. And yeah, so whoever is hosting the meeting would be attending the meeting recording to their YouTube account, basically non-corporate account. Yeah, but one challenging thing here would be having the list of all the recordings. Okay, although we have been having the links of the recordings in each day's meeting agenda, but it would be nicer to have um, um, a list somewhere, at least like something like playlist in YouTube, so that we would know we would have all the links of Parallels community meetings happened so far. So yeah, so for that, yeah, we could have the Parallels YouTube channel. That's one proposal from my side to have the dedicated YouTube channel for Parallels. Yeah, and primary purpose of this channel would be having these recordings there, kept as a playlist. And we could also use this channel for other purposes, like having some sort of like talks that had happened, or um, any any discussion or any um, Paralus live session happen. We could have that uploaded there in the Paralus channel. Yeah. Yeah, let me know
Okay.
if you
Sounds like a
have.
good idea. I mean, yeah, I think it's a good idea, I feel, Akshay.
Mhm.
But today, if you look at what we do, we upload all our parallel. I mean, we have few Parallels related videos
Mhm.
uploaded in the Rafe channel. Probably having a separate channel makes sense
Mhm.
because it's independent, right? I mean, we can always upload everything. Is it only purpose is to upload the meeting, or maybe we can upload other things also, right, related to Parallels,
Mhm.
everything?
Yeah, yeah. So just to get started with, we could upload these meeting recordings, but in future we could use this channel for other purposes also, like uploading
Okay.
anything related to Parallels. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, looks like a good idea.
Okay. Yeah. Maybe we could
Okay.
bring this up, and we'll just try to set. I'll just try to set up channel for Parallels. Yeah.
Okay.
That's good. Thanks, Venu. Yeah. Up to you. Next one.
Thanks, Akshay. So do you, guys think like having Terraform support for Parallels
Mhm.
would be useful? See, most of the Parallels use cases, what we could say, we have Parallels, we expect user to create the cluster outside Parallels, that is, either in EKS, AKS, or MKS somewhere. Then we, import that, rather register or import that into Parallels, right? Then you can start managing the zero trust access. So uh, as uh, as all those cloud service providers support Terraform, so if we support Terraform, oh, it's available already.
Yeah. So yeah, I'll just add this link to the document. So basically,
Okay.
one of our
So yeah, if it is already done, I am sorry, I didn't follow. Yeah,
mhm.
please, this is really good. If we
Yeah.
already there,
Okay.
um, does it support everything today? I
Yeah,
mean,
yeah. Let me talk about this one. So this is actually done by one of our Parallels user who has been using Parallels for some time. So since they are they do manage everything by Terraform, they have this Parallels Terraform provider created for themselves. Okay, so it has been like they have like created this issue, and they have discussed about this thing in the
I
Parallels channel. Okay, but the thing is, like currently, um, we don't call this as an official Parallels Terraform provider. Reason being, we as a maintainers haven't
mm,
like gone through all the provider code that they have written and how they have implemented this provider. Um, yeah, saying that we also like we have tried it once. Just for the testing purpose, to check, and there was some questions that they have raised. In order to address those questions, we have like tried this one. Yeah. Um, yeah. So basically, underneath they are using this CLI, PCTL, to connect with Parallels, and yeah, I guess that's how they have been. That's what they have been using underneath this Parallels Terraform provider. Yeah. So so we have kept this issue open so that maybe if they want, they can have this documented somewhere on our Parallels website, so that everybody would know about this community developed Parallels provider. But yeah, Yeah, the call here
Okay.
is to like whether we'll continue with this one or we will have the separate official Parallels provider or not. Okay, so that is something we need to think about. And maybe we have to like take a decision on that one. Okay, whether we could
Good.
reliably use this one, or we would have another one uh, uh, created by ourselves. Yeah, that is one question I was having. But yeah, but that is someone who wants to get started, I can use this one. Okay, let's add this link to the
Uh-huh.
document.
Wonderful.
Yeah. Yeah. And as for the support that they have created, it's looked like at least the cluster, like cluster resource that I guess they have the examples. I think we can create clusters by this provider. With that, I'm sure of. Not sure about other things, like, parallel cluster group and project. So these are the resources that they support, I guess, right now.
Okay. That's
Yeah,
actually
definitely.
it's good enough to, I mean, definitely a good start, great start. Cluster and group and project.
Correct.
This is a really good start.
Correct. Yeah. We could have other resources like user or role and permissions. But yeah, definitely this is important to get started if anybody wants to use the Terraform provider. Yeah.
Okay.
So let
That's
me
it.
take a follow-up on that one.
Thank
If
you.
they
Thank you,
really
Saksha.
want, maybe we could have this documented somewhere on the on our website, so that if anyone interested, they can like go through it. Yeah, I'll just take a follow-up on this issue.
Will do.
Okay. Uh, all right.
Thank you. By
So
the way, your voice is breaking. I don't know.
uh, can can you hear me? Okay. Is it
It's kind of flaky.
okay? Okay. I think it's there is some issue with my internet. Um, Am I still breaking or
Okay, let's continue anyway.
okay? Is it
Otherwise,
like I hope
let's
I'm like
try it
I'm
better this side.
I'm okay. I'm not sure. I hope I'm audible to you at least.
Yeah, it's better.
Okay, okay,
I can understand.
okay. Sure, sure. Yeah, cool then. Yeah. Okay. Thanks, Venu, for bringing that topic. Yeah. Since we do not have much lot of agenda items, so I've added one thing. So basically, there are few issues that still needs that are created by ourselves as well as for by other community members. Yeah, I just thought of like going through that and have the maybe do some triaging on those issues. Um, yeah, maybe could like spend few minutes into this one, and then we are good to close the call. Yeah. Um, so I guess these first two are created by myself. Um, just to add to this one, so we have seen that there is some um, there is an issue with that there is an inconsistency with the database when somebody upgrade the Parallels from older version to this one 0.2.4 due to the changes that we have done. Okay, so basically we just have like there is some breaking changes in this release. Okay, so so this has been reported by Ethan on the Slack, and there is a small steps or script that need to be executed on DB in order to uh, migrate the existing data. Okay, so that we could have some smooth upgrade. So yeah, so it's just like we just need to document this thing as a migration step for 2.4.0.2.4. Yeah, I'll just maybe I think this. mm, Yeah, I think I have confirmed this one. Have I'll just remove the new trash for this issue and have yeah. Try accept, and it looks like it's also good first issue. So I'll just add that good first to this one since it's just a documentation that we have to do.
Oh, it's a fix, is a documentation fix.
Yeah, it's just a doc fix. Yeah, there is also issue created while ago, which is basically the SAML authentication, support for SAML authentication. Okay, so look like we have been checking this SAML in the ORI Kratos. Basically, oh, ORI Kratos has no plan to support SAML. Instead, they were recommending to use some sort of bridge in order to use SAML IDPs for your application. So yeah, this is one example that I have given Box HQ's Jackson. Yeah, we basically need to try this out and see how we can use Jackson as a intermediate between Orikratos and SAML authentication. Yeah, I guess this also needs removal of trash because it's already discussed a couple of times, and I'll just have the trash accepted for this one. Yeah, this is basically an enhancement that we plan to do for some time. Mm, Yeah, unable to download CLI config for non-admin users. You should be able to download CLI config. I guess for the non-admin users, we are not able to download the config. Okay, maybe I can check this on, and I see there is one comment to take this up. Okay, maybe they are interested in working on this one. Let me just make it quickly do. I have an in Paralus instance. I think for that I need to have the non-admin user. Local groups, I'll just not have the organization admin. Yeah, I'll just go with local groups for now. Maybe I'll just uh, okay. Mm, I just have some issue with the login. Yeah, looks like there is some issue with this test bed. It is basically Paralus instance. Mm, okay. Yeah, I guess I'll need I don't know why we are not able to do that. Mm, okay, yeah, look like the user is created properly, but look like it's not able to log in. Cool. Yeah, let me maybe take this offline. I'll just check on another instance since we are doing some testing on this instance. It might be broken. Yeah, I'll do maybe testing on another instance and I'll just verify this bug.
Okay. Unable to download CLI config for non-admin users. That's strange.
Yes, actually, ideally, there should be, yeah, there is some, could be some issue with the backend, so something. Maybe
Hmm.
I'll check on that one. Yeah. Yeah, this is another one. Basically, yeah, I guess we need to use some sort of license scanning tool, like FOSSA or Sing. This is
Mm-hmm.
one of the requests in order to onboard Paralus to SceneShape, SceneShape sandbox project. So yeah, this has been pending for some time. Just mark it since this is required. I'll just mark it as accepted. Yeah, based on ability, maybe we'll take this up. We'll just work on this one. Um, And maybe I'll just add help wanted so that if there is anyone interested, maybe they can take it up because like it looks like it's a pop. It's like we should be using some sort of scanning tool which is already available. Yeah, we'll just configure that to with the parallels. Okay, so yeah, I'll just yeah, if even like in future, if anyone interested, they can take it up.
Mm. Okay. Don't we already scan for vulnerabilities?
Yeah, we have been doing we have the try like Trivi configured to check for any security vulnerabilities. Yeah, we already have that one, but like we need this licensing scanning. Yeah, I guess this is one of the requirement for CNSAFE onboarding process. Yeah,
Mm.
yeah. Mm, that- this is, this is reported few months back. Uh, Admin read only role
But,
read at
okay. Admin read only.
okay.
Expect to be access to organization outlet. User can add new user, new group, etc. User register. Oh.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Not sure if we have added this one because it's been some time since this is open. But again, for this, I guess I need to create a user with read-only access. Yeah, I'll just try it out once again if I'm able to log in with the user that I created a while ago. See if this instance is working.
Hmm.
No, not yet. looks like there's some sort of issue with this instance. Parallels read only. We have one user, but I guess I don't have access to that one. Okay. Mm, yeah, I guess again this need to take separately. Yeah, it looks like it's the real issue where read-only user is able to access the or basically create the resources, which is concerning. Okay, what is the version that they are using? Okay, app version 0.2.4. I guess they are using the one that we have.
Latest one, right?
Yeah, latest one. Okay, so
Mm, configuration of the Oh, okay. Install Paralus in the same version, configuration on our test cluster. What's the difference?
oh,
Paralus 1, Paralus 2. What is configured? Connected in
mhm.
custom browser configured. Still, I don't understand why it doesn't work on Paralus 1. What is Paralus 1 and what is Paralus 2?
Yeah, so basically they have like the author has created an like install Parallels as a separate instance. Okay,
Hmm,
and there this admin read only role is working fine.
okay.
Okay, it look like there is some issue with the first installation that I have done. Um, okay, I think okay. I guess yeah, we don't hear back from the author. It looks like there is some issue with the installation that they have done. Maybe some sort of like maybe the the migration had failed or maybe have had some issue with Parallels 1
Hmm,
installation. Yeah,
hmm,
that's why maybe it do not have the proper permissions to these roles. Yeah.
okay.
Mm, okay. So we'll check back on this one. If there are no replies, if the author don't revert back, maybe we'll close this issue. Okay, I guess, yeah. Till the time, I think this is not, we have like checked from our side. It's look like Nirav has checked from our side and it is working fine. Yeah, so I will see. Okay. Mm, I'll just check if there is any quick, anything that we can quickly try. Okay, there are a couple of ones that are maybe enhancement that are created by myself that I will spin up the environment using Docker Compose. Yeah. What exactly the issue that they were facing?
Parallus source CME example Docker Composer are using registration services. What exactly? Okay.
Okay.
Services Postgres.
Yeah,
Post
so
type
basically,
should be a number.
um, yeah, if you go through this Docker Compose file, just here,
Yes,
this,
that's right. There at the top.
yeah, so inside this one, Postgres T, there are both, okay. So here we have this configuration. What it complaining? Enter the invalid type. It should be number
Hmm.
or an object. Okay. Maybe it's
Yeah,
giving up the
string.
string.
Hmm.
Okay. Um. Good
Mm.
call. Okay. Hmm. What is the Docker version
Maybe somebody didn't
9.3?
set it properly. Yeah.
Ah, okay. I remember I've been like using Docker Compose for some time. Doesn't complain for this thing. Um,
Is it
okay.
possible there is a, did they share any configuration or other, any other details? Actually.
Yeah. So I guess the Docker version is good.
Mhm.
Maybe the Docker. Yeah, I've been using Docker 1.29.2. Okay. What is the Docker latest version? The latest version available. So, Docker desktop. It looks like I've been using the older one. Okay. Yeah. So maybe what I'll do, I will just try the latest Docker Compose, and try this out. Maybe there is some changes with Docker Compose that they need to have this configuration in maybe in rather than string, it needs to be number or some other object. Okay, maybe I'll just check this out. Yeah, maybe I'll just deploy latest Docker Compose and see if I'm able to reproduce this issue. Okay, this looks like it could be like if I'm able to reproduce, it look like we need a small change in the Docker Compose file. Yeah. Okay, I
Mhm.
guess yeah, I guess those are like couple of issues I wanted to bring up for like triaging. Yeah, unfortunately, I'm not able to do triage for a couple of issues that I planned. But yeah, let me maybe check back my instance and see if I'm able to verify those issues reported. All right. Yeah, I guess we are at the end of um, our meeting time. Yeah, do you have anything, Tenu, before we
No, we
conclude
are
this call? Okay,
no, we're good. We're good. Thanks a lot, Akshay.
okay. Thank you. Thank.
Have a good night.
Yeah.
Bye. Bye.
Good night. Bye.